just hide by the flag. Is that going? My counter? Yeah. Okay. So close.
No, I have a welt like right next to my nipple. You almost grabbed it.
A what?
My welt right there.
Grabs the welt and pull. All you see is blood.
He was trying to be like cool.
Squishy's got a BL. What?
That side.
I'm assuming. I gotta go grab something though. Out here. She's all loaded. Then we need one.
Alright, Turf Wars round 2, switch sides.
Over there? I haven't seen him yet. Hi. I know, I gotta grab something. Cross him here. See you out there, mate.
We have guys that have a potato launcher.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look who it is. Good shot, too. Glad they gave us somebody. 3 of my squads are sitting down.
Me and my 3 friends.
Wait.
Hey, can you get behind me to shoot?
Oh, sorry.
Jeez. We're like all leaning over. I'm like, ah. Sir, semi only inside.
It is semi. See, it's semi. Semi.
S-E-M-I, not S-E-M-I.
Hi. I thought you guys were sitting out.
I was.
I thought you were sitting out.
Red team in the bus stop, please.
I didn't use it this time.
Come on. Little muscle.
I can't.
You gotta ride, just push. You already did.
I'm sorry.
Red team, are you ready? Ready! Alright, which way are we gonna push?
Damn it.
Are you gonna put this online?
Huh?
You gonna put this online?
Yeah.
Thumbs up, push inside or push out? Oh, okay.
Shotgun next to flag. No, you don't. Put it back. Bro, I just shot you. Come on.
You hit the wall.
How did I hit the wall? I saw your stomach touching the wall. Guy, watch your left. That one hit the wall? Nope. Just checking. good shot.
Oh, dude, this is so nice.
Oh, right in the tip. Pardon me. Dead man coming in. I think Johnny just wrecked somebody. I know I definitely did. Ah, la, 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 la. Ah. I almost shot you in the ass.
Me?
Yeah. I didn't see your tag. Can we hold that? Come on. Whoop. Hello. Really? I can hit you in the gut all day, bro. I'm gonna not hit you. I can see you right here.
What about you? There, now you hit me.
Well, now I wasted 3 shots.
Dude, I'm coming.
I know. I've heard before. I got shot doing this. Uh-oh. Come on. We're you this fine day.
Not too bad.
That's good.
Oh, hey. I just want to sit down.
Sorry, that was a little close, buddy. Ah, good shot. Dead man. Dead man coming in. Coming out, sorry.
Got 1 yellow. 2 red, 1 yellow.
Dead man coming in.
I got this dude passed me. Missed. And I was like, dude, you fucking got me. I know it.
It's like I need the light.
Is that your shield?
Yeah. There's 3 or 4 people that I will not stop killing right here. Oop. Hey, Johnny. That was my friend. Zach, you okay?
I didn't hit him, don't worry.
Oh. Johnny, right over there. Whoa.
Now, was that just a lucky shot or?
That was a lucky ass shot. I couldn't.
That's what I figured.
I mean, I could see, but. Oh, I heard a jingle. Was that you?
Huh?
Did you just jingle? Don't be jingling, man. You scare me.
Throw you guys all off.
No, my sound horn.
Yeah.
I told you.
Can't sit there, but that can happen. Wow, that's pretty close to my head right there.
Sorry, there you go. I'll angle. Thank you. I gotta know. Still in fire station? I see you. There goes Zach. I know, I'm sorry. Should have shot me. Oh, dead man. Good shot. Alright, time to give the shield a bit of a break for a second. Oh, dead man. Don't. Zach, did you just shoot somebody? You okay? How do we look out here?
Watch that door, somebody threw out too.
Push up, hey, push up to that board. We got red pushing from over there. Sorry, mate. Fogging, you know. Ow.
Yellow or red?
Yellow.
Alright.
Sorry, you scared the shit out of me. I'm allowed to lie in war.
Oh, you lied.
Hold, hold. You okay?
Yeah, that wasn't me. It was someone else.
No, I thought you ate shit over a barrel. I love using the art of lying. I know. Nice, man. Dead man coming in. Oh, I got enemies in the spawn again. Uh-oh. I lost something.
Get that guy.
Where is it? Excuse me, I dropped something. There she is. Sorry about that.
You dead?
Yeah, I was coming back for this.
He's fixing to be turned wide.
Huh?
In the jump.
Yeah, join the club, Johnny.
You got a guy right here, bro.
Oh, nice. Dead man. You okay, Johnny?
God,
What was that?
I just want one of the plate carriers. That's all I want.
They keep getting you under it, doesn't he?
No, it's either right here or here, or fucking under it. God.
I just
So is
had-
that shotgun too.
I just had some guy do this around a corner. Shot me in the leg. Yeah.
Right? Wow.
But he followed, but I'm like, really?
That shotgun's just waiting for you to go around the corner.
Oh, I know. That guy, the fat ass, he's not calling his shit either. He's been in our spawn twice.
And he's behind the line too, isn't he?
Yeah, he literally ran through right here.
No, but I'm saying like, you can't sit behind him. You can't sit in the spot behind that line, but he's been sitting there just waiting for you to go around the corner.
Yeah, I know. I held that flag for a little bit in the beginning, but then I got pushed out of there.
I held this a little while. We had all flags outside.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure you might have snuck in the back door.
No, that guy that sits right next to us, I shot him through a crack like 10 times. And he goes, you didn't hit me. He goes, shoot again. I shot him. He's like, there, now you got me. I'm like, yeah, there. And I wasted a bunch of BBs and all my gas.
You guys have a barrel cover on? Sir, we're gonna have that tape. Hold on. We have in face and top.
Maybe. Pardon me. Excuse me, Zach. I have to put you up to the thing.